Hey there! Wondering how to fix aspect ratio on Vizio TV for the perfect viewing experience? You're in the right place. A mismatched aspect ratio can be frustrating when you're trying to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Whether you're dealing with stretched images or black bars, adjusting the aspect ratio correctly will ensure you get the most out of your Vizio TV's display capabilities. In this guide, we'll walk you through the easy steps to fix the aspect ratio on your Vizio TV, making sure your entertainment looks just the way it's supposed to. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Access the TV menu. First things first, grab your Vizio remote and press the menu button. This will bring up the on-screen menu to your TV. Use the arrow buttons to navigate through the menu options. You're looking for the picture or display settings. These are where you'll find the aspect ratio settings. Depending on your model, these options might be under picture mode or directly listed as aspect ratio. Step 2. Select the right aspect ratio. Once you've found the aspect ratio settings, use the arrow buttons to select the appropriate one for your content. The common aspect ratio options include wide, normal, zoom, and stretch. Wide or 16:9 is perfect for most HD TV broadcasts and Blu-ray discs. Normal or 4:3 is for older TV shows and content that was created in the classic TV format. Zoom is great if you need to fill the screen with a letterboxed movie, but keep in mind that it might crop some image details. Stretch can be used when you don't mind distorting the image slightly to fill the screen. Step 3. Adjust advanced settings. For those who want to delve deeper, Vizio TVs often provide advanced picture settings. In the picture menu, you may find options like position, size, or overscan. Adjusting these settings can help you fine-tune how the image is displayed. For instance, disabling overscan can help ensure that all parts of the picture are displayed accurately on your screen. Remember, the goal is to have your content fill the screen without unnecessary distortion or cropping. Step 4. Check device settings. If you're still having trouble, it might be your external device settings that need adjustment. For example, your cable box, streaming device, or DVD player might have its own aspect ratio settings. Navigate through the menu on those devices and ensure they are set to output at the correct aspect ratio that matches your TV's settings. This is often found under display or screen settings. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to fix aspect ratio on Vizio TV. By following these steps, you can ensure that every movie night or TV binge session is picture perfect. If problems persist, refer to your user manual or visit Vizio's support website for model-specific instructions. Adjusting aspect ratio is all about enhancing your viewing experience, ensuring everything you watch is seen as the creators intended. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite entertainment just the way it should be. Happy viewing!